In this video, I am going to show you how to fix CapCut template link not working. So these should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you notice that template links are not working properly for your application, you can just go ahead, delete all app cache in order to reset your app. So in order to do that, you can just go ahead, check your templates if it's working. In my case, it's working. After that, just go back to your home. Click on this gear icon. After that, click on Settings. And here you can see Cache App. You can click on this Delete button. After that, click on OK. So just wait until all the cache gets deleted and your app will work again. The template link will work. So if this doesn't help your problem, you can reinstall the app again and it will work properly. As you can see, if you go now to templates, it will work for you. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.